students, myself Ajanta Saikya, Department of Education. Today I am going to discuss about the topic Instructional Technology, and this topic is for 6th semester general course and paper is 6.1. First of all, I want to give an introductory idea about this topic. This definition of instruction. Generally, instructions refers to a certain type of command made for getting information, knowledge and understanding about a system. Then I am going to another point, to whom. Generally, instruction is given by the teacher or by the machine. Then third one is why. That instruction is very essential to make teaching easy, precise, interesting, effective and desirable. Meaning of instructional technology. Here, first point is that it is a part of educational technology. Part of educational technology. We can say that instructional technology is a subsystem of educational technology based on this concept that instruction is a part of education. Then we can say that it is a complex and integrated process. It is a complex and integrated process which is concerned for imparting instructions to the learners for fulfillment of specific objectives, which is cognitive. Here, you know the meaning of cognitive. Cognitive means the development of knowledge and understanding. Therefore, it is a complex and integrated process through which the learner can fulfill his or her specific objectives, which is knowledge based. Then the third point is that it is based on hardware approach. Hardware approach. Generally, on the basis of machines, that teaching is provided. You know about the machines like tape recorders, radio, television, projector, computer, etc. That means through these machines we can provide education to the learners. As instructional technology is based on hardware approach, that's why this instruction technology may also be considered as a machine system. it is also based on science and technology. Generally, instructional technology try to plan what type of instruction should be given to the learners and what materials are needed to give instruction to the learners. Therefore, in a teaching learning process, this instructional technology is very much essential. Now, I am going to discuss about the nature of instructional technology. That means, what are the different characteristics of instructional technology? First important point is that it is a subsystem of educational technology which is associated with the instruction. As you know that instruction is a part of education. Then the second point is that it is based on science and technology. Then third one is instructional technology is a dynamic, progressive and continuous and also effort-making system. And instructional technology always tries to fulfill the cognitive objectives of the learners, which is very much essential in the teaching learning situation. Then, instructional technology develops new concepts like micro-teaching, program learning and stimulated teaching. And instructional technology gives importance on instructional design. That means we can develop instructional design through instructional technology. And instructional technology is always learner based. It gives importance to the learners. And it is also psychological because instructional technology is based on psychological principles and theories, which is very much important in the teaching learning process.